Hello guys, so after a long time making this video because I wanted to say something. Uh, Actually, I have given test series to 5K offer batch. Okay, so many of you may be knowing that uh, I was giving the entire video recordings and entire test series and entire PDF material whatever I give to my regular batch students. Same thing I was giving under offer of 5K from last 2 months. I'm giving like uh, September, from September month I am giving this, right? So September, October, November and December is running now. So in that 5K course offer, many students they have taken test series from some other coaching centers as well, and from those coaching centers also they are saying that like some roughly, I'm not very sure, and I'm not claiming also, some roughly 40 to 60 or 70 some test series are there they are providing. I'm not sure about this data, but uh, roughly this much test series they are providing. Okay, and whatever I'm saying, I'm not claiming that my information is very true. So that's why I'm making this video public on YouTube, because I want to show that I don't do any bluff or something. I'm totally genuine. Okay, so in that test series, whatever they have taken from other centers also, already I told to my students that I will be giving 250 test series, and the cost of the test series for this year I kept 3k. Okay, so in this 3k test series, like in 3000, already this cost was included in this. Like in this 5k, like I will give you just the offer link in this. I mean, just after watching the video, you go to description, then you will realize what are the things I was giving in 5k. In this 5k, I had video course and I had test series also. So this test series cost itself was 3k, right? And this video course was like all together in offer I was giving 5k. And why I was doing this, I have explained everything. Now see, my point is, so one of those students, they asked to that coaching center, like actually what mistake they did. One of my student, what mistake he did, first thing, he already took 5k course from me. Okay, but he had already taken before this 5k, before taking my course, he had already taken the test series from other institute. Okay, so when he started solving the test series, he found that there is no solution in that test series. Okay, only questions were there and options were there. There was no solution in the test series. So when he said to the coaching center that, sir, there is no solution in the test series, and I don't even know that how to know that whatever question I'm solving, and after that whatever options I'm getting, if my option is being wrong, then like why this option is wrong. And see guys, being a student, even I am a student, right? I have done all these things what you are already doing. I have already done all these things. So being a student, I totally agree that in test series we must have solution. If there is no solution, then how will you know that your approach is correct or wrong? Right? See, I am not blaming or I am not claiming to anyone that why are you not giving solution. It is your business strategy. I don't bother about that. But in my academics, this thing, I strictly believe that every question must be solved. Okay, or process should be written that how to approach properly, so that a student should not feel blind. If student is solving any question, then student, suppose option is not matching, then how many times a student will solve that? If option will not match, option will not match, right? Anyway, again I'm saying, in my test series, whatever test series you have, 250 test series, in that you have complete solution for every question. I give solution. Okay, and not only this guys, I don't know other coaching centers are doing like this or not, but not only this, I do something extra also what is not done. I think probably no one is doing this what I do. And see, why I'm making this video, it is not because of show off. It is because I am doing this. I'm putting this effort. What is that? See, if you are my regular batch students, or if you are my crash course batch students, then facility is, from December day 1, we used to start test series. Okay, so every day like 4 to 5 test series I will be activating, and my students will be solving test series. Okay, now this test series what I'm talking, it is available for my own students also, and students who have taken only test series in 3K, and students are under 5K course. Like for everyone, I activate test series on same day. Okay, so as per my schedule, like 5 test series I will be activating every day. So by the end of Jan month, we'll be having our target completed. Like every day we'll be having topic wise, subject wise, and full length course. Like this kind of test series pattern I have followed, right? And I used to activate test series every day. Now what is the problem? Problem is when my student called that institute back that sir, there is no solution in that particular institute from where he had got the test series. Then that particular institute said no one gives solution. Seriously, no one gives solution. And this is one thing. Now next thing, first thing, this is wrong that no one gives solution, because in my test series I will show you live every question is solved. I will show you one. I will open one of my test series and I will show you live that I give solution properly. And not only this, you talk to anyone, okay, who is a student from my institute, they will tell you how effortfully I do my work and how dedicated I am for selection. Okay, and Gate Aerospace is my sole work. It is not my part-time job. And see what I'm saying. My regular batch students and my crash course batch students, when they solve test series every day, like I do like this. See, suppose I'm activating test series 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 today. Okay, so my students from regular batch and crash course batch, and on all 5K also. But see, actually 5K students, they have taken video course or something, so how they are preparing, it is their own plan. But regular batch and crash course batch students, they are following me. So how does it goes? Actually it goes in this way. I will activate test series, then same day in afternoon time, they all students, they all will practice the test series. Okay, or same day somehow they will finish this 21 to 25 like five test series they will finish. Some days like I have given only 4 test series, some days I have given 6 test series. No, not given 6, only 4. Some days it had happened, like today, last day I like today no, sorry, last day I had vaccine, so I could not give all the 5. Like I had my second dose of vaccine, so I could not give all the 5. So what happens? They will write the test. They will take the test series, and once they will submit the test series, then they get proper detailed solution. Okay. So see, guys, when they have when already I have given solution, then already they can read and they can understand the solution. Okay. So this is very good, correct? This is very good because detailed solution, formula, everything is given. Not only this, what is extra I'm giving? I also have a separate test series discussion session from night 11 p.m. onwards. I discuss every single question in which student has doubt. So if any institute or any coaching center is blaming me, because if they are saying that no one gives test series, sorry, if they are saying that no one gives detailed solution of the test series, then seriously you should be aware of this, because I am giving solution of the test series. Not only solution, I also discuss every single question with my regular batch and crash course batch students. Live I discuss. I will just show you how do I discuss. See here. Here itself it will be there. I will show you. Not here. I think here itself. I can show you here itself. Like, see, these things I have discussed. These things. Minus gamma p by v. Like today I was discussing all these things. These are the questions from the test series. Okay. Like slope of isentropic lines, slope of, yeah, these are the questions of last 27th test series questions I have discussed with them. Okay. Moving shockwave questions, like, yeah. I will tell you what my point is. See here. This is my website, right? You know this. When you will pay the fees for the test series, and after that, when you will go to Gate Aerospace folder, okay. So after going to Gate Aerospace folder, first thing I should give you demo, like how my test series looks like. When you will take the test series demo for a student, So you have suppose just I'm taking this test series. Suppose in this test series I am clicking here on the view option. Okay, so suppose see it is written here like this is a dummy exam. Okay, so view mock, and then you have option take test series. When you take the test series, it will look like this. See here, it is looking like how many questions you have. 1 to 9 questions you have, right? Like first question, right? So you put anything, which of the following is fruit, so put here apple. Okay, and then if you want to clear this option, then you should use clear button. If you want to, suppose you are going for some other option like that, you can choose that. Okay, and suppose you want to save this up, go for save and next, then automatically second question will come. Okay, so this is NAT type question, numerical aptitude type question. Okay, so you will fill any number here. Suppose your answer is -6, put here -6. Okay, done. And suppose you want to go to the eighth question. Eighth question is also NAT type question, numerical answer type. Suppose you go to fourth question, it is MCQ question. Go to sixth question, it is MCQ question. Go to seventh, it is MCQ. Go to ninth, it is NAT question. Like all types of questions are there. So you submit. Here you can see submit button is there. When you submit the test series, see I'm submitting the test series. When you submit the test series, immediately this scorecard will come. Okay, and this scorecard, it will be written that total how many questions, attempted questions, correct questions, wrong questions, unattempted, total score, and overall position, right? So, and you see here same question, whatever I have given, the question will be here, and you can see what is the correct option, that option is here, and your answer, what you have chosen, that answer will be here, and after that explanation will be here, because it is a dummy question, so it looks like this. Okay, like, and all the this thing will be saved in profile. Like, see, I have registered myself as a, you can see here, welcome Vikash, my name is Vikash Kumar Srivastav. So this whatever I have given, it will be saved in my profile. Okay, so whenever suppose I'm going back here using back button, again I'm going back here. So when you will go back, right, then after that it will show that you have taken the test series completed. So what I'm trying to say here, I'm trying to say that in my test series complete detailed solution is there. Okay, and not only this, guys, see, I don't give value for that money in which students have paid money by mistake, or after paying the money suddenly within 1 or 2 days student is saying that sir, I'm not comfortable. Actually what happened, this is also a case. One of my student, sorry, he's not my student, I can't reveal his name. Actually he works in a government sector, and he called me for to take my 5K course. He said, sir, I saw your YouTube thing, and I want to take this course, and I gave him the course. And suddenly after 2 or 3 hours he texted me, sir, this course is not that course what I was expecting. So I said, okay, no problem, you take some time and you analyze the course properly, and if you will say that no sir, this is not that course what I was thinking, then I will return your money properly. Okay, I will not cut, because see, I want to work very genuinely. Okay, so he said, sir, I actually what I was thinking, that is not that course, and I gave him the full payment back. You know, in the beginning of this 2022 batch, there was one student, already I have made video on that. Okay, he was simply making everything fake, that he was taking classes in 2 different institute. He was also taking classes in another institute, and he was also taking in my institute. And in front of me he was saying, sir, I don't have money, I have money problem, this that. After attending some classes, he said like this, sir, I have some money problem, something. And then later he said, sir, already I have joined another coaching, and I have paid 15K fees there, and remaining fees I have to pay there, but I want to join your class. So when he said like this, then I got angry, that from these many days you are attending my classes, and suddenly you are saying this is the issue, and now and you know, when I said no, this will not happen, because once you'll get the rank, they will say that you are my student, I will say that you are my student, then how will you manage this? Then after that, when I said to that institute, I called back to that institute, and I said, see bhaiya, he is actually, bhaiya means sorry, like I called to that person and I said, see sir, see bhaiya, see, this is student and he is doing like this. After that student came to my YouTube channel, and on every video he started saying that don't join CL, this person has taken 20K from me, he is fraud. Okay, Then one day I will definitely share that screenshot also of the WhatsApp chat. Then I gave him 1000 messages on WhatsApp, that was that much angry I was. And then he blocked me on that, and I have all the messages saved. Okay. Anyway, all these things are the part of business, no problem. But my point is, if anyone is saying that no one is providing complete solution for the test series, then I will tell you, now I will take you to the live test. I'll take you to the aerospace test. Okay. You see here, I have all the branches test here. So for aerospace, I have enrolled for aerospace. So you will be having aerospace content. So you go to aerospace. So suppose, just an example, you can see here topic wise test series. This is extra test series. This is just extra test series. Okay. Then you have full length test series, 4 activated, and remaining I'm about to activate. Then aircraft propulsion, every day I'm activating test series. So this 27 what you are seeing, it is actually from day 1, like December day 1 I'm activating this. No, I don't think December day 1, before that. Okay. And then you have aircraft structure test series, like what number you are seeing here, 9 and 3, actually they all will increase. It is based on my pattern what I am following with my regular batch students. Okay. So you take any you go to propulsion. Where is propulsion? Because we are taking currently propulsion. Go to propulsion. Okay. You can see here, suppose like anything, like suppose I am choosing any test series. Suppose I'm choosing this test series. See what I have written here. Test mock test 14, gas dynamics, topic wise test series, normal shock wave. Okay, theory plus numerical. You see here, topic wise test series, normal shock wave 13, right? Only theory based questions like this. Okay, so these kind of test series I have. For example, suppose you go to any other test series, like moving shock wave or anything, any test series you go. I will not make public all the questions, just for sake of this I will take in a test series. And you see guys, this test series you can take if and only if you have paid the amount, otherwise you cannot take. Okay. So okay, take fan of flow numerical or anything. Take relay flow theory. No, take anything. I will not show all the questions to you. Just take any fan of flow numerical. So take this test series here. Okay. So this is the test series. Okay. So I will just show that. See, this MSQ question. You know what is the meaning of MSQ question? You have to put multiple options. So multiple options means you have to select more than one option. Okay. So you can select this option, this option, this option, this option, or this you can leave, or whatever like options you feel that you have to leave that option. Okay. So once you will submit, see how many in my topic wise test series. In one topic itself, I have theoretical question separately, numerical questions separately, logical questions separately, like that. Okay. So like if you go to the question 10, then remaining questions I'm not showing you here. So you'll be having submit button. Okay, in the test series. If you submit the test series, then you can see it will show that total question was 10 and attempted 0, correct answer 0, wrong answer 0, unattempted 0, unattempted 10. Like I have not attempted because I'm just giving a demo. So you can see here question is there and solution is there, right? Solution is there. You can see solution is there. Okay, you can see solution is there. Solution is explanation. You can see explanation is there, right? You can see explanation is there. You can see explanation is there. Explanation is there, right? Everything is there. That's all. So this is what I was trying to say, that in my test series you have solution. And see, total number of test series, if you will bother, there are 250 test series. Already I have made so many videos, and in that video I have told you that for 2022 students, I am making 250 test series. But for 2023 and for upcoming students, again I will increase the number of test series. And you can contact to any student. See, not with ego, but with confidence I am saying. Talk to any student. They will say that how good my questions are in the test series. Okay. Because my test series is made by me. Okay. And I am responsible for the rank of my students. So and one more thing, when you prepare for GATE exam, preparation is not a one-dimensional thing. Okay. You need classroom, you need good notes, you need all PDF material what I provide in class, you need all revision video courses, crash, like everything. And after that you need a very good test series. After that you need complete support for the test series. If any question you are like every day, every evening I have test series session. I used to say to my student, like day 1 you have to solve from test series 1 to 5, and night time we'll be discussing 1 to 5 solution in detail. Okay, so this is how, and I will show you guys this year. Whoever is is not enrolled in my institute, I will show you this year my result. You know that I upload my result, right? I mean, not my own result. I'm talking about my students' result. Okay, I will show you that how hard working they are. See, I make very good test series, and all the students, like all the good students, like some students are very good. There is so many chance that, and one very good thing, like this year, very good admissions happened. 120 admissions happened this year, and like it is like thankfully I got all these things, right? These many admissions, and in my regular batch students and in my crash course batch students, I have good students. Okay, and students who have taken 5K offer course, actually they are preparing by my material, but because it is an offer course, so I actually we have made a separate WhatsApp group. When question is when their doubt is very important, then only I take their doubt. Otherwise, in 5K offer course, I don't discuss doubts. But for a regular batch and all these things, I discuss doubts. Actually, why I'm making this video? Main thing is about the test series. So if anyone is giving any kind of rumor, before going to rumor, first you contact me and you ask, sir, are you providing test series or not? And what are the things you are providing in test series? Okay, I have MCQ type question, I have MSQ type question, I have NAT type of question. Sometimes students used to call and they ask, sir, are you providing MSQ or NAT type of question? Because they have suffered this with some other institute. That's why they call and they ask, sir, are you providing MSQ and NAT type of question also or not? A complete calculator I have. I didn't show you calculator, right? I'll just show you calculator also. I'll take some other test series and I'll show you. Suppose I'm taking this take this test series and I'll show you the calculator. See here, time is running. Okay, see, it is exactly like a gate exam. Okay, see here, time is running, and just next to the time you can see you have calculator. See, this is a calculator, right? It is exactly same the way we have in gate exam. Actually, I'm zooming here, that's why it is not visible, because I don't want to show the questions here. That's why, right? So all these test series are there. So you don't even think I'm not providing solution or something. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you let me know properly. Don't go wrong, because it is about the future. It is about the life. And Remain test series I have not activated yet, because that is according to the plan for my batch. So I used to deactivate all the test series. So here right now, whatever test series you are seeing, you can see the date Sunday 12 December. So all these test series I have activated as per like all these test series, right? Anyway, I hope I have delivered what I was about to say. So that's all. I hope you are doing well. And one thing I want to make a suggestion. See guys, one suggestion is very important. Actually, when you are practicing the test series, it is for my students also from my coaching center, and for other coaching center students, and for self-study students. Like guidance is, see guys, suppose you are solving in a test series. Just for example, you have enrolled in my test series and you are solving in a test series. Then you should make a scribble pad. Like if you have taken GATE exam already, then you will be knowing that in exam hall they used to provide scribble pad. Okay, so there are two ways to have scribble pad. Either you go to market, right, and in the market you purchase the same size of a scribble pad. Roughly 30 pages should be there in one scribble page. I have taken GATE exam so many times. I have qualified 5 times, but I have forgot the number of pages in the scribble pad. Okay, so or you visit the GATE website and you check whether they have mentioned that in one scribble pad how many pages will be there, but those pages used to be sufficient. So my advice is, when you are solving your question paper on the scribble pad, you should give limited rough space to yourself. So there is one way: go market and purchase the scribble pad. Or another way is, you take a notebook, and in that notebook itself you say that only 5 pages you will use for the rough space. You will not use extra page. Okay, but one more thing, many students may be thinking that what if scribble pad will get over in exam hall? Can I take the another scribble pad? Yes, you can take the another scribble pad, but there is a problem. They will give you another scribble pad once you will return the first scribble pad. So what if you have taken some important data from the or you have taken some important notes in the scribble pad? So that time you have to return the scribble pad to get the second scribble pad. Okay, but as per my experience, one scribble pad is sufficient. Okay, so you have two ways: either you go and purchase scribble pad, and you should practice only on a scribble pad. You should not practice on notebook. Okay, so if you're practicing on notebook, then do one thing: take some pages out of the notebook, use scissor and cut pages like this, and you use some gum, Fevicol or something, and you make your own scribble pad. Okay, this is also one more way. So on this, and very important thing, don't use pen, you should use pencil in the for the test series purpose. Okay, and actually when you are going to write the GATE exam, because it is just after, roughly you can say 50 days, after 50 days we have GATE exam, so you use pencil, okay, and you use pen also. So pencil and pen. So suppose just an example, suppose you are solving any numerical and you are solving in the scribble pad I'm talking. So you solve by pencil, and suddenly you got that, okay, this point is important, okay, like this data you are going to use further in the question. So this data you just underline with the pen. Okay, so pencil color will be of brown color something, or black, sorry, black color something, graphite color, and pen color. Okay, so there you should use pen. Okay, so this will help you, this trick will help you. See, when the exam will come near, lot of tricks and tips I will upload about GATE exam, don't worry. Currently, actually, nowadays why I'm not uploading videos, because evening 6:30 to 11 we used to have a crash course batch, so in that I used to be busy. So like 6:30 to 9, 6:30 to 8 we used to have one session, and 8 to 9 we have dinner break, and then 9 to 11 again I take the crash course batch. So that's why it is fully loaded. And already from the last year I have uploaded clips of the regular class on the YouTube of crash course. So that's why this year I am not uploading clips of the live class in the crash course, right? So small clips I have uploaded for the crash course already, so last year. So that same thing. And that's why I'm not able to upload any videos, because I'm totally busy with crash course and test series and doubt session, discussion session, everything. So this is how my days are going, guys. Actually now scene is like in night time I used to edit, and I used to delete, and I used to make some very good questions in the test series. Already test series are ready, only thing is now I used to when I used to analyze the question, I feel that no, this question is easy question, so I used to delete that question, and I want to make a new question, I want to make fresh question. Like suppose there are 10 questions already I have made in the test series. So what happens, like I analyze the question again, and if I find that some question is very easy, I used to delete that question, I used to edit a new question. Okay, and one more thing I'm telling you guys, because see, cheating and copying the material, this is everywhere. But in my test series, every question I make by myself. Language, everything I make by myself. Of course, like one thing can be same, like for some like if one teacher is making like what would be the ratio of T naught by T for Mach number 3, then Mach number 3 is very common number. So if someone else is also making T naught by T for Mach number 3, then here I can't claim that this is my question, okay, because Mach number 3 is Mach number 3, right? Anyone can make question for Mach number 3. So okay, so I hope it's clear. So it's been long time, so I thought to make sure that no, I provide solution. Not only solution, I also provide a separate test series sessions. So if you got stuck in some other coaching center, no problem, you should say to your friends that in CL means concept library, in CL go and take the test series, and sir is also discussing separate test series session. Okay, like already solution is there, but even after that I take the session. One thing, if you are taking test series, then test series is separate thing, in that you have solution everything. But if you want to attend live doubt session also for the test series, then for that you have to pay little extra charge. Okay, all the 250 test series for 2022 students, it is 3K. Okay, clear, totally clear. But if you want to attend this extra, then you have to WhatsApp me. So +9163 I forgot my number, +9163 80135260. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so you can text there and you just say that, sir, I am looking for the test series, and pay the amount, and then you can practice on the test series. Otherwise you can't practice on the test series, right? I hope it's clear. So that's all. Thank you, guys.